Hello my friends, today's goal is to clean up my garden. I want to clean up my garden so that I can plant my seedlings. Look at the garden, it's so crazy. I can't take this. Okay, so get to work. It's 7 o'clock now. Alright, this is 45 minutes of work. You see I have branches cleaned up there. The ground is a bit more clear. I think I will need probably at least an hour and a half to clean up all of the branches on the ground. Alright, it's let's see the time. Jeez. 10:39. So these are all the branches. I'm almost done. Look, just a few branches. I'm so exhausted, super exhausted. So I've been working since 8 something, 2 hours with some break in between. But I think I'm done with right now. I'm gonna go get lunch for my son, cook lunch, have lunch, and come back hopefully in the afternoon. I'm going to clean this up and at least this area, I mean up to, that area, so I can put my beans in, and tomorrow I'm going to tackle the other part. That's the Mother's Day gift I give to myself. It's just work on this all day long. I mean, I have to give it to my husband. He's never someone that would do anything for me for whatever, except birthdays. That's his thing anyway. But I have to give it to him. He took my little one to baseball game, and also actually he's gonna take him to another person's birthday party, which will give me hours actually to work on this stuff. So I have to give that to him. If terms of Mother's Day gift, the best gift is give me time so I can work on the stuff I want to work on. Alrighty, I'll be back after I have more progress. Okay? Alright, it's super windy today. Super windy. It's 12 o'clock. I am rest, ate, had lunch, cooked lunch, had lunch, did everything I need to do. I'm back to continue. I think this tree is absolutely managed, almost, just a couple branches I need to trim. Then I will clean up the bed, the garden bed. Okay, I'm gonna at least take care of this one and that one. Just clean them up, make them, get them ready to plant. There's a lot of weeds here. So it's 12 o'clock. I will check in. Ooh, look. It's been 40 minutes. My first bed is ready. Look, I removed all the weeds. Whatever left are the food. I have some onion, green onion, and also leeks. So the first bed is ready. I'm so excited. I'm not quite sure yet what to grow here, but at least I have a whole bed ready. Now, this will be the next one. So excited. Wow, I'm so excited. The second field, so that's the first, this is second field is done. It's ready. Amazing. This time only takes me 20 minutes. Whoa. So I have the third one. I think I'm gonna tackle is over there. That one, the one over there, around the big tree. Wow. And it is only, let's see what time it is. I think it's probably, yeah, it's not even 1 o'clock. Wow, that's exciting. So another 20 minutes, that half is done so far. In time, an hour and a half to almost. I cleaned all these 3 pieces. I'm so excited. I mean, this is great progress. It's enough, totally enough for me to start grow, put my seedlings down. But now I'm just feeling like I want I am tired right now, but I do really want to move that pile of branches all the way in that corner. I really want to do that. I need to find a place to put them though. I'm not sure which spot would be a good one. But so I'm thinking the real craziness is this jungle. Look at that. It's 1:20 now. I have about another hour the most. I really make some progress over here too. Okay. Good morning everyone. So it's next day, Sunday morning. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Last night after dinner I did come back to clean, to really, I would say, to organize these branches. So I cut them into different lengths and depends on the thickness of each of them. I sort them into piles. This way I'm thinking about using them. Some of them can be used as bamboo stick later on, right, to stick up my whatever vegetable I want to grow. As you can see, I took my seedlings. These are the beans too. Beans, and I just put the the water bottle to protect them. I'm not sure if they will be chewed up by the birds or not, but it took a long time for me to grow the seedlings, so it may not be necessary anyway, but I just did it. And I also sow some seeds directly there. And over there, see, I cleaned up another bag over there. So now today I just have I really do want to take care of this pile today, and then half of the jungle up down there. Since it's Sunday with the churches and everything, I also want to go to see my mom. We bought flowers. Me and my little one bought flowers last night, so we're gonna bring the flowers to her today. I don't know how much time I may have, but I would like to see this to be cleaned up and tidy. Oh, so excited. All right, it's Sunday afternoon. It's 4. I did it. Look at that. I take care of all the branches, sort them into length and diameter. Some of these I think I'm going to use as a fence or the tomato, to stack up the tomato, and my little one helped me to pile this bigger one over here. He's such a sweetheart. And then more branches over there, but the branches are done. And all the fields, look at this. I'm gonna give you a long shot. The jungle is gone. Can you believe that? I'm so happy, so happy. The jungle is gone. Now, I just need to, I ordered some metal posts for over there. That's where still some branches, those dry stuff there. It's actually our compost bin, so I'm gonna re-establish the compost bin. It's kind of deteriorated after years of using. I'm going to take care of that with the metal fence I bought with some DIY. I think it's gonna be great. Look at this. Oh, it's amazing work. I feel so good about this. This is, for me, this is the best. In terms of spending my time, even though it's a lot of work, but I really enjoy taking care of the garden, clean it up, make it something. It's like, I really enjoy spending time here. So anyway, I guess I'll see you next week, right?